here's everything we know about the OnePlus 6 so far. The OnePlus 5T has only recently been put on sale, but that hasn't stopped rumors about its replacement from spreading. The OnePlus 6, or whatever the final name will be, may arrive during the first half of 2018, and bring with it some of the most desirable smartphone tech, all at a lower price than its competitors. Latest leaks show the OnePlus 6 could feature an iPhone X-like notch. Ready? Here's what we're hearing about the OnePlus 6 so far. Design. OnePlus could be looking to up the ante when it comes to the design of the OnePlus 5T. 2018 is the year of the iPhone X copy, and OnePlus could follow suit, at least according to new leaks from IT Home. The leak includes two images, one of the back, and one of the front. On the back, the phone appears to show a vertically aligned dual-sensor camera and a fingerprint sensor. On the front, you find an edge-to-edge display that looks to have a notch on the top. That notch likely houses the front-facing camera, and any sensors for new features like facial recognition. The display also shows what appears to be the specs for the phone. Specification. OnePlus smartphones usually have the best available technology at the time of release, packaged inside a phone that's cheaper than the competition. The OnePlus 6 may be no different. According to the leak from IT Home, which shows a picture of the phone's specs, at least one variant of the device will feature 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The phone will also run on Android 8.1. The Snapdragon 845 is rumored to be found inside the OnePlus 6. Additionally, and perhaps more intriguingly, the same source says the OnePlus 6 will have a feature that has eluded all major smartphone manufacturers in 2017, the on-screen fingerprint sensor, though the most recent leak seems to suggest otherwise. The OnePlus 5T introduced an 18:9 aspect ratio screen with minimal bezels, and shifted the fingerprint sensor from below the screen to the rear. Chinese smartphone brand Vivo was the first to release a phone with a working on-screen fingerprint sensor. This is important because Vivo, OnePlus, and Oppo are all part of the same family, as these three brands are owned by BBK Electronics, a massive Chinese tech corporation. Sharing technology between them is certainly possible. Despite the possible addition of an on-screen fingerprint sensor, the OnePlus 6 may also have a face unlock feature. While this is already part of the OnePlus 5T, a rumor states the system will be upgraded to use an infrared 3D camera module, providing more security than the current selfie camera-based system on the OnePlus 5T. Release. OnePlus released two phones in 2017, the OnePlus 5 and the OnePlus 5T. Will it do the same in 2018? If it does, the first will have to arrive early on, and that's the rumor from a source speaking to Gizmo China. Apparently, the OnePlus 6 is being prepared for launch in mid-March 2018, little more than 4 months after the OnePlus 5T was announced. The OnePlus 5 arrived in June 2017, and the OnePlus 5T replaced it in November 2017. A March 2018 announcement, with the release following at the end of the month, for the OnePlus 6 does sound early, but Gizmo China says its source has been correct on OnePlus news before. Regardless, for now, we'd treat it as speculation. Nothing is certain about the OnePlus 6 yet, including its name and possible release date. We will keep you updated with all the rumors here though. See you.